Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WRX reliable. First, prioritize consistent maintenance. This means using premium synthetic oil and genuine Subaru filters. Always keep an eye on your oil levels, as these engines can consume some, particularly if they're modified. Adhering to a strict maintenance schedule is your best defense against unexpected issues and will significantly extend your WRX's lifespan. Beyond basic oil changes, which should occur every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, pay attention to your spark plugs. Replace them as recommended to maintain efficient combustion. Don't forget your air filter. A clean one ensures your engine breathes properly, which is vital for performance and reliability. These small, consistent efforts make a big difference in preventing larger problems down the road. Many WRX owners find value in addressing common weak points. An upgraded air oil separator can significantly reduce oil blow-by, keeping your intake system cleaner. For those pushing more power, a larger, more efficient intercooler is essential to manage intake air temperatures. Finally, if you plan on increasing horsepower and torque, reinforcing your clutch and transmission will prevent premature wear and failure. To truly ensure reliability, invest in an access port or similar monitoring device. This allows you to keep an eye on crucial engine parameters like knock correction and air-fuel ratios, helping you catch potential issues early. If you've made significant performance upgrades, a professional custom tune is non-negotiable for safety and optimal performance. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. It's a smart way to keep things tidy while you focus on your car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.